Hi guys! So nandito tayo ngayon sa Cornelia Street Coffee, one of my favorite coffee shops here in Rojas City, Capiz. Mag-unbox tayo ng product kit na binigay sa atin ni Realme in partnership with Fujifilm Instax and Hollyland. Lahat ng mga bagong products nila nilagay nila sa loob ng box na to and I'm happy to unbox it with you guys. Shout out nga pala sa owner ng coffee shop na to since pinayagan nila tayo mag-shoot dito kahit merong customer sa loob. And here's what's inside of the box. Of course, we have the Realme 15 Pro 5G. The one I got here is yung flowing silver. This is a 256GB version. It is in a standard Realme yellow box. And of course, sa loob niyan, we have a separate compartment which has the product information and warranty as well as yung SIM ejector pin and yung ating jelly case so you can protect your phone while waiting for the new cases to be available online. So tabi muna natin yung product and let's take a look at this 80-watt super fast charger which can charge your phone from 0 to 61% in just 30 minutes. And here's the 144Hz for the Curve Plus AMOLED display. Curve siya guys in all four corners. But of course, the main highlight ng phone na to is really yung support niya for 4K 60 frames per second video capture from all the different lenses. Design wise naman guys, parang marble yung itsura niya in person. I haven't seen the green yet, but this one I really like the design so far. And if they're telling you sa marketing na sobrang nipis ng phone na to, you really have to hold it to really believe na manipis talaga siya. And also we have the Lark A1 here. This is their newest budget microphone. Again, we have the product information and warranty guide and the Lark A1 itself with the charging case. So meron tayong dalawang transmitter which is the microphone and isang receiver na Type-C. And the bottom compartment, we have the carrying pouch which has the USB-A to USB-C charging cable and also yung dalawang mini windshield natin. And finally, we have the Fujifilm Instax Mini Link 3. This is their newest Instax printer. The one I got here is yung clay white version, but I've seen people getting the green version which I really like as well. They also included dalawang Instax mini film. Sayang lang kasi the unit itself did not come with a charge. So yun, hindi ko siya napakita sa camera, but I was able to try it back at home. Sa end ng video, ipapakita ko sa inyo how it works. But I was able to take photos using the Realme 15 Pro 5G. By the way, it's not a photo shoot quality photos. It's just me hanging out with my best friend. By the way, yung audio is coming from the Lark A1. Sorry if hindi ko siya na-disclose earlier. There's not much naman to talk about from here on, so I'll let you guys enjoy the rest of the video.